Home security is more important than ever. With rising crime rates, protecting your home and loved ones is a priority. Modern technology offers various solutions to help keep your property safe. Among these, home security systems stand out. A reliable security system deters burglars and provides peace of mind. It can monitor your surroundings 24/7. In case of suspicious activity, it alerts you instantly. This gives you time to act quickly and prevent potential threats. Security systems now come with advanced features. These include high-definition cameras, motion detection, and remote access. Such features make it easier to monitor your home from anywhere. With so many options available, choosing the right system can be overwhelming. The Firstrend 1080p8 wireless home security system is one such option. This review will help you decide if it's worth your money. We'll look at its design, build, and ease of installation. We will also explore its performance and overall value. The Firstrend 1080p8 wireless home security system is feature-rich. It comes with 8 channels, allowing for extensive coverage. The system includes 4 1080p cameras. These cameras offer high-definition video quality. The cameras are designed for both indoor and outdoor use. They are weatherproof, ensuring durability in various conditions. Each camera has a 3.6 mm lens, providing a broad field of view. The cameras also come with infrared LEDs for night vision. The system operates wirelessly, making installation straightforward. It supports up to 8 cameras, allowing for future expansion. The NVR, network video recorder, can record continuously. It supports up to 6 terabytes of storage, ensuring ample space for video recordings. One of the standout features is the motion detection. The system can detect movement and send alerts to your smartphone. This enhances security by notifying you of any unusual activity. The accompanying app allows you to view live footage remotely. Overall, the Firstrend system boasts impressive specifications. Its features are designed to provide comprehensive home security. Next, we'll discuss the installation process and user interface. Installing the Firstrend 1080p system is relatively easy. The wireless design eliminates the need for extensive wiring. This makes it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. The cameras connect wirelessly to the NVR. This simplifies the setup process significantly. The package includes a detailed manual. It provides step-by-step instructions for installation. Users have reported that the initial setup takes about an hour. This includes mounting the cameras and configuring the system. The user interface is straightforward. The NVR connects to a monitor or TV via HDMI. The on-screen display is intuitive, making navigation easy. The system also comes with a mouse for easier control. Users can access various settings and view live or recorded footage. The mobile app enhances the user experience. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to monitor your home remotely. You can view live video, playback recordings, and receive motion alerts. The app's interface is user-friendly with easy access to key features. Overall, the installation process and user interface are user-friendly. This makes the Firstrend system suitable for most users. Next, we will review the camera quality and performance. The camera quality of the Firstrend 1080p system is impressive. During the day, the cameras capture clear and detailed footage. The 1080p resolution ensures high-definition video. This makes it easier to identify faces and objects. The cameras also perform well at night. They are equipped with infrared LEDs. These LEDs provide night vision capabilities. The cameras can capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. The night vision range is up to 65 feet, which is sufficient for most properties. The system also offers adjustable settings. Users can tweak the brightness and contrast to suit their preferences. This ensures optimal video quality in varying lighting conditions. The wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view. This reduces the number of cameras needed for complete coverage. Motion detection is another key feature. The system can detect movement and send alerts. This is especially useful for nighttime monitoring. Any movement within the camera's range triggers an alert. This allows for immediate action if necessary. Overall, the camera quality and performance are excellent. The system provides clear footage both day and night. Next, we'll discuss the motion detection efficiency. Section 5, Motion detection efficiency. Motion detection is a crucial feature of any security system. The Firstrend 1080p system excels in this area. The cameras are equipped with advanced motion sensors that can detect even slight movements. This system allows for customizable motion detection zones, where users can select specific areas to monitor for movement. This minimizes false alarms. For example, you can exclude areas with frequent movement, like trees or busy streets, ensuring that only relevant activity triggers alerts. The motion detection sensitivity can also be adjusted, which is useful for different scenarios. For instance, you can increase sensitivity for high security areas or, conversely, reduce sensitivity in areas with constant motion. This flexibility enhances the system's efficiency. Alerts are sent instantly to your smartphone, and the notifications include a snapshot of the detected movement. This allows for quick assessment of the situation. If necessary, you can view the live feed or recorded footage for further investigation. Overall, the motion detection efficiency of the Firstrend system is commendable. It provides accurate and timely alerts, enhancing the overall security of your property. Next, we'll explore the storage, playback, and remote access capabilities. Section 6: Storage, Playback, and Remote Access. The Firstrend 1080p system offers robust storage options. The NVR supports up to 6 terabytes of storage, which is sufficient for storing weeks of footage. Users can choose between continuous recording or motion-triggered recording. This flexibility helps manage storage space efficiently. Playback is straightforward with the NVR. Users can easily search for specific footage. The system offers various playback speeds. You can watch footage in real time or fast forward through less important segments. This makes reviewing footage efficient and convenient. Remote access is a standout feature. The mobile app allows you to monitor your property from anywhere. You can view live footage, playback recordings, and manage settings. The app's interface is user-friendly with intuitive controls. The system also supports multiple users. This is useful for families or businesses. Each user can have their own access credentials. This ensures that everyone can monitor the property as needed. Remote access enhances the system's utility and convenience. Overall, the storage, playback, and remote access capabilities are excellent. They provide comprehensive control over your security system. Next, we'll address user pain points, including the app interface and customer support. Section 7: User Pain Points, App Interface, and Customer Support. Despite its many strengths, the Firstrend system has some drawbacks. One common issue is the app interface. While generally user-friendly, some users find it lacking in certain areas. For instance, the app occasionally experiences connectivity issues. This can be frustrating, especially when trying to access live footage. Another pain point is the notification system. Some users report receiving too many false alerts. This is despite adjusting the motion detection sensitivity. This can lead to alarm fatigue, where users start ignoring notifications. This undermines the system's effectiveness. Customer support is another area of concern. Some users have reported difficulties in reaching support. The response time can be slow, which is problematic if you need immediate assistance. Additionally, the quality of support can be inconsistent. Some users receive helpful responses, while others find the support lacking. There are also issues with firmware updates. Some users have experienced problems after updating the system. This includes connectivity issues and system crashes. This can be frustrating and may require technical assistance to resolve. Overall, the app interface and customer support could be improved. Addressing these issues would enhance the user experience. Next, we'll discuss the overall value for residential users. Section 8: Overall Value for Residential Users. The Firstrend 1080p system offers significant value for residential users. Its high-definition cameras and night vision provide excellent security. The easy installation process makes it accessible to most homeowners. The wireless design is especially appealing for DIY enthusiasts. The system's motion detection and remote access are standout features. They allow for comprehensive monitoring and quick response. This is particularly useful for busy families. You can monitor your home from anywhere, ensuring peace of mind. While there are some drawbacks, the pros outweigh the cons. The app interface and customer support could be improved. However, the system's performance and features make it a worthwhile investment. The customizable settings allow for tailored security solutions. This ensures that the system meets your specific needs. In summary, the Firstrend 1080p system is a solid choice for residential users. Its features and performance provide excellent value. Next, we'll discuss the overall value for commercial users. Section 9, Overall Value for Commercial Users. Commercial users also stand to benefit from the Firstrend 1080p system. Its scalability is a key advantage. The system supports up to 8 cameras, providing extensive coverage. This is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. The high-definition cameras and night vision enhance security. They ensure clear footage, which is crucial for identifying intruders. The motion detection and remote access features are also valuable. They allow business owners to monitor their properties in real time. The system's storage capabilities are another plus. The 6 terabyte storage ensures that weeks of footage can be archived. This is important for businesses that need to keep records for security and compliance purposes. The playback features make it easy to review footage when needed. However, the app interface and customer support issues could be more significant for commercial users. Businesses often require reliable and prompt support. Any downtime can impact operations. Improving these areas would enhance the system's appeal for commercial users. In conclusion, the Firstrend 1080p system offers good value for commercial users. Its features and performance are well suited for business security needs. Addressing the app and support issues would make it an even better choice.